Hello. I'm talking to you, yes. Hi. Apparently we have moved the shoot. Don't want you to be here. I'm not sure why. Did they say why they don't want to?
He's not buying anything, and he's spending a lot of time in the bathroom.
Okay. So I think it's time to get your stuff.
I guess he locked himself in the bathroom last week.
Yeah, I didn't do it. That's not some stuff.
They have the right to refuse service.
Yeah, I don't have right.
Which they've done, and they want you to leave.
Yeah, they haven't done it.
Okay. You got an idea on it? Okay. You got about 2 seconds to get out the door. I'm going to help you out the door. Can't be any more clear. It's time to go.
Yeah, I haven't done it.
Okay. Get your stuff and go.
I haven't done it.
I don't care. Get your stuff and get out of here. You're not welcome to come back here.
Yeah, I haven't.
Understood?
I haven't done it.
I didn't have to say that. Do you understand what I'm telling you?
Yeah, I haven't done it.
Get out of here.
I haven't done it.
Okay, it's time to leave.
You did. So you did do something. Actually, it's your lack of doing something. Okay? So they would like you to leave.
I haven't done it.
Either you're going to get out of here or you're going to produce an ID and go with me and go to jail. That's it. I'm not playing with you.
Yeah, I haven't done it.
I'll call you out of here. Okay? Either you can get on your feet and walk, or I'm going to drag you out.
Yeah, I haven't done it.
Let's go. Get your stuff. If you come back, you go to jail for trespassing.
I haven't done it.
I don't care what you've done. Apparently you can't listen.
I haven't done it.
Let's go.
I haven't done it.
Let's go.
I haven't done it.
Part of this, I forget. Oh? Against the law right now. Put your hands up here. What are you not understanding?
I haven't done nothing. Too long.
Put your hands up.
I haven't done anything.
What is your name?
Touch me.
I'm done with you. I'm done with you.
The suspect doesn't initially give his name to police, but officers eventually identify him as 30-year-old Brandon Reed.
I'm playing a report on this.
Go ahead.
I haven't done anything, no crime, nothing.
Yep. Trespass.
That's not trespass. There's no yellow thing.
Put him in my car. Okay.
Yeah, I haven't done anything. That's not a trespass.
Here's what you don't understand. They are refusing your business here. They do not want you here. So when I tell you it's time to go, I don't care what you've done.
I don't care that I'm filing a report against this. There's no trespass warrant.
Okay, they don't want you here. They don't want you here. When I tell you
That's
to leave...
not against the law.
Yes, it is.
There's no trespass thing.
Brandon continues to be hesitant with police about revealing his identity.
So now I'm asking you for your name. Because if you don't want to give your name, because you're getting a ticket for trespassing. And if you don't give me your information, you're obstructing and you're going to go to jail where you're going to be fingerprinted, and I'm going to bring you to the county if I can do that.
I haven't done anything.
So you can sit in the county jail overnight and see a judge and tell him how you haven't done anything. Is that the route we're going to take?
I haven't done anything.
Okay, that's not what I said. How old are you?
I'd rather not say.
What's that?
Yeah, I'd rather not say.
Okay, you don't have a choice. You're in custody for trespassing. If you want to turn it into a custodial arrest, where now you're going to be going to the county jail because you're refusing to identify yourself,
I will report against this.
I'm sorry, I don't care what you're going to do.
I haven't done nothing wrong.
I don't care what you're going to do. I'm telling you what this is going to be.
I haven't done anything wrong.
So that's going to be your answer.
Yeah, haven't done nothing wrong.
Okay.
Police reports show Brandon had 13 active warrants for similar charges. The warrants extended to several surrounding areas, and police said the 30-year-old had already been banned from multiple Starbucks locations. Officers take Brandon to the police station.
All right, come on out here.
Once inside, police let our suspected coffee shop loiterer know the extent of the situation.
So just so you know what's going on, you've got like 13 warrants. Do you know that? You've got like 11 warrants out of Aurora. You've got one out of Kane. You've got one out of Batavia. Several look like they're for trespass and such. So that's why you have to go to the county jail, is because of all those warrants you've got. Because they don't have bonds. So you would have to see a judge. What happened here today, basically, you have an additional court date. That's going to be March 13th. So you're going to need to appear on that day before a judge in regard to the trespass and then obstructing justice. And that entails basically, I asked you to leave, you refused. I know you said you haven't done anything wrong, but unfortunately, state law states that you're asked to leave this establishment. They have a right to refuse service to you. You're telling me you're not leaving? You haven't done anything? You ended up, like I said, you could have been released on a ticket, but you didn't want to identify yourself. Well, I have a reason to make you identify yourself. You didn't want to continue to do so, and we're going round and round. So that's where the obstructing comes from.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
You know, like they'll sign on like a 7-Eleven says no shirt, no shoes, no service. It's kind of the same thing. Like Starbucks has the right to refuse service to you if you're not going to buy anything from them, or you're going to stay in the bathroom for an hour at a time. Like they have a right to ask you to leave. Okay, even though you said I didn't do anything. I
And
get
you
it.
didn't do anything.
But
I
it's
understand.
the lack of not doing anything is why they don't want you there, because you're not fraternizing their business. They're a business. They want you to buy coffee and drinks and pound cake. You know what I mean? Not just drink water and use their Wi-Fi.
Does that make sense?
Okay? So no more Starbucks in Plainfield or Joliet. All right?
Police instruct Brandon to stay away from those Starbucks locations, but it seems like he's not quite ready to give up that coffee shop atmosphere.
Don't return there because you'll end up getting arrested again.
And it probably would violate a condition of bond. So it actually
Yeah,
probably.
right. To go other Starbucks.
Well, then nowhere in Plainfield or Joliet, because those ones on 59 that have a Plainfield
Yeah,
address,
not
they're ours.
59. I mean, our Starbucks, no please.
I mean, I don't.
It's whatever the judge tells you. The judge may tell you you can't go to a Starbucks at all. I don't know what he's going to say. He may say stay out of the Starbucks in Joliet and Plainfield. I don't know. But I know I'm telling you that you can't go back to that one.
Or the one on Jefferson
You're
Street.
banned from that one as well.
Okay? Those are the two main ones out here that you can't go to. And I think Aurora, when I just talked to the other officer on the phone, all the Starbucks in Aurora you can't go to. Okay?
Yeah.
Makes sense? You ready to go to county?
Brandon Reed was charged with trespassing and obstructing for this incident and taken to the Will County Jail for the remaining warrants. His case is still active and open.